What is her name?
She's my daughter. Her name is Himanshi Goel.
Okay, what was the problem she was suffering with?
Actually, since when she was 6 months, she used to frequently she used to suffer with cold and cough problems as small babies frequently
Yeah.
do.
Yeah.
So, like I follow Sujok therapy from start before her therapy. Like pregnancy also happened with me with the same treatment. So starting whenever she used to get cold and cough, and she has a problem of rashes all over the body.
Okay.
Since my birth.
So did you take any other treatments for that rashes?
I showed to allopathy doctors, which
So what was
whenever I used to give her those, they always give the babies antibiotics and all medicines. And it is my experience, whenever I give her those medicines, she has that side effects of it. Every time when I give her some other medicines, her whole body turns into rashes, everything increased, everything. So after those side effects, I just came to my physiotherapist and showed to my doctor.
Then what was your initial experiences of Sujok therapy on?
As I started taking, I tell you, when I take for this Himanshi, I have to take the treatment in physiotherapy.
Yeah.
Till the child is up to 5 years, the mother has to take the treatment, and this affects the child.
Okay.
This was first time. It was a miracle for me. I was like, I asked the doctor, will it really affect to the child if I ask? But when I see it with my eyes, I was like believing it. Yeah. Whenever I take the treatment for Himanshi, and her cold and cough, her fever got reduced, her rashes got reduced completely.
Okay. How many treatments did it initially take for her rashes to go?
It just took 5 sittings for her to go on.
Only 5 treatments?
Yeah.
Okay. So, as of now, how is she?
She is now perfectly fine.
No rashes?
Her immunity level also got increased. Now her level of getting infected from other people also reduced.
Okay. So, what is your opinion about the doctor who treated?
Like I can say he's a wonderful doctor. Like in this field I have seen the first time that mother taking the treatment and child is getting it, and he is very loving and caring to babies also.
Okay. So, what message would you like to give to other people who are suffering with similar problems?
Like my opinion, the people, like babies are very sensitive. So I suggest do not give any such high antibiotics, any nebulizers mainly. The doctor suggests for any cough they give nebulizers to the baby.
Yeah.
I suggest never to give them, and after giving them the lungs get more infected by giving nebulizers. So with this treatment there is no use of nebulizers, nothing. Just with the C treatment to the mother, the baby is completely fine. So I just suggest to all the people, like especially for the babies, never go for those medicines and go to the social therapy.
Thank you.